Doctor, I am back to see you. I have a big problem. Last night I was on a date. My boyfriend and I ate dinner and did all that, but in the morning I saw these growths. Please help me.
Okay, I will try. Do not worry, IT will take 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Wow, what on earth did you eat? Here is the first one. Look at it. There's going to be foam now. Second. Here is the last one. Well, that's IT. I've removed all the growths, they won't bother you anymore. So what exactly did you eat on your date that caused such formations on your teeth?
I don't know either. When I arrived, my boyfriend had already ordered everything for US. It seemed like there was some kind of meat. I liked it. Okay, thank you, I'm leaving.